Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So today is 30th, Wednesday, very special day for every trader. Why? Because the monthly candle is closing. I'm here like a big sister, like a big auntie to tell you that candles are closing monthly, and it is very important to check every pair that you trade how today candle closes in the monthly chart time frame. So a very special day. I will be waiting midnight, of course, to see and finally understand the long-term direction of the market using the monthly candle, or to those pairs that will give me indecision candles, spinning tops, rejection candles. I don't want such candles. I want like a very good momentum candle, like bullish engulf, bearish engulf, marubozu, like those candles, they shows direction. So I have already given 5 signals already, because I believe the market does not just wake up and decide to sell or to buy. The market always follows a structure. And from what I've given GBPUSD buy, NSD/USD buy, GBP/JPY buy, USD CAD sell, and NSD/USD buy. So I have 4 buys and 1 sell. And the reason I have really explained on my Telegram group, which is free. So if you have not joined my Telegram, the link is in the description box. And of course, I have shared on my Facebook page, Mofrey FX. That's my Facebook page. So if you are watching me and you have not followed me, go and follow my Facebook page. And I've tried to explain my reasons why I think this market will buy and will sell. So for USD CAD, I'm still hoping that the structure is pointing on the sell side. And let's see how the market unfolds. So we are holding five pairs currently as we wait patiently for today candle close, which will have a very big impact. So the VIP signal is still going on. People are still coming in, joining in, and it's $10,100 for VIP signal. It is there, people can pay, and the deadline is Friday, and we'll start with the VIP signal. So the deadline for VIP signal is Friday, so that we can start on Monday. And what is different with the VIP signal, I'll be able to tell you when to close the trade. Even if it has not hit TP, I'll be able to tell you which lot size to use. I'll be able to give stop loss if at all we'll have news, because news can take market with 200, 300 pips. You don't want to be in such a drawdown. So even if we have a news and we must trade, I'll give a stop loss. But other trades without news, I don't give a stop loss. So the difference between VIP signal is at least well calculated, and we'll be holding trades for like a week. It's not like we are scalping. Me, I'm not a scalper, I'm a swing trader. So my signals will be very different for VIP, and it is $100. For mentorship December class, still the class will start on Monday. So for December, and what is special on that class, I'll be teaching my new strategy, BWA, very detailed, very explained. And the first day we will open live account with the students. Even if you're green, we'll open the account with you, and then we start trading, live trading. So you can do practice. You can do practice while you are learning. So that's the best thing about my mentorship. It's $400, 40,000 if you are online, 2 classes every week. If you're is physical, 3 classes every week for 2 weeks, online for 3 weeks. So that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is today, like, I had an interesting dream. Like, I dreamt GBPUSD going to 2,900, like hitting 2,900. And GBPUSD, we are at 1,900. 1,900. So that's 1,000 pips. Like, I saw it very clearly. And for me, Kitambo, like those days I used to assume my dreams, ignore my dreams. But I told you guys, I'm a very spiritual person. I pray a lot, I see a lot, and I saw GBPUSD hitting 2,900, and it's because I'm on a trade, I'm on a buy, and those trades, like, they hit 2,900, like it was 1,000 pips. And for me, it's like God is telling me GBPUSD is going to buy long term, and there's nothing to worry. So when I woke up, I went on monthly time frame, and I was like, let me see something here. And I'll show you on monthly what I saw, because I don't want to explain. You can't understand. So we will hope in monthly, I try to explain to you the chart. And if at all today the candle closes the way I want, we might have 1,000 pips running, 1,000 pips. And I don't know how long it will take, but what I know, GBPUSD might might go to 2,900. So finger crossed to today's candle close. Monthly will give us direction. So let's get into monthly time frame and we see what happens. So guys, this is the monthly chart. I opened this chart. I always saw this double bottom. If you have not seen a possible double bottom on GBPUSD, kindly go and check and use FXCM because they have more data. Don't use another like broker on TradingView. The FXCM have a lot of data from 1970 something, and the data is well seen here, 1985. You can see there's a drop that the market did 1985, and then we have the same rejection here. So we might have a possible double bottom. But after the end of today, we might have a confirmed entry on monthly. So how we trade double bottom, how I train my students is whenever you get a double bottom, you'll mark your neckline first. That's the first thing. So let's mark our neckline. Let's mark our neckline. That's our neckline. The next thing that we do is to mark half of the neckline. So let's mark half of that neckline. So the half of that neckline, we'll mark it very clearly. So we have the half of that. And you can see from where the market is to the half, so many pips, guys. Like, let's see how many pips are from where the market is to the half. So many pips. Almost 3,900. That is like 4,000 pips. So what I have done, so many are the times that if the market, the distance is longer from the first bottom to the half, I'll measure half of the half. So let us measure half. So let us measure half of the half. So the half of the half, we get it there. So we are working on two places. I have the half, and the half of the half I can put like color blue. So this is my chart now. I have everything. I can now zoom it for you guys. This is my chart. Very clearly, like when I saw that this market can go 1,000 pips, I was like, wow. So we have the neckline. This is the neckline, guys, of that double bottom of 1985. This is the half of that double bottom. This is the half of the half. Yeah? Are you understanding? So at the end of the day, GBPUSD, how do we get in GBPUSD using WBB? We get in by waiting for green candle. We had green candle. This is the green candle. So we wait for green candle, and then we wait. We check if it's bullish engulf. You can see this candle, the green candle never engulfed the red one. So what do? We put a box. So we are waiting for WBB. All along, I was waiting for WBB on monthly because already we have a possible double bottom. So we are waiting for WBB on monthly. And guess what? The market's supposed to go all the way here. The market is supposed to go all the way here. But I have measured half of the half. So let's see how many pips. How many pips to that half of the half from where the market is. 1,348. For me, I saw this market is going to 29. So what I've done, I've come to realize we have a block here. You can see there's a block. So I have already marked my block already. So this is the block that is near there. So this is one of the block that can make this market do what? Get rejected at that block. So I have half. This line is half of the half. The box is my block. And the market, if today this candle closes like this, WBB is confirmed. So the market, we might target to the block now. Let's target to the block. So exactly 1,166. So for me, what I did, I came and just put my target. I put my target like that. And I went and put 2,900 because that's what I saw. I put 2,900. Remember, this was in a dream. But now if I do it physically, It is making sense. So my 2900 is there. So let's see how many pips. Let's see how many pips from what we have to the target of 29. 1000, exactly 1005. So for me, if this market closes like this, GBPUSD is going 1000 pips up to 29. So I'm just waiting very patiently at midnight, and I'll enter a long-term buy and just hold the trade. I'll just hold the trade up to 2900. So regardless of for my students, let me show you something, because for you guys, you know what I'm talking about, because you know the BWA strategy. So this is the BWA. So we had support there, very clear support. My students, this is what I teach my students. So we are supported by the BWA strategy. So I have a support broken. You can see, guys, the support was broken by this red candle. And then we have a candle that is following. It is green. Students, what did we say? If you get such a setup, what type of retracement do we have using the BWA? What type of retracement? So this one is confirming that the market will still continue to buy. So with a possible double bottom, market giving us WBB today, we'll have the market approaching 2900, eventually going to this zone, half of the half, and finally this market will go here. And these are so many pips. I don't know that position, that's 58. So that is long-term buy. So that being said, I want you to understand that monthly candle close is very, very powerful, because it will give you a confirmation long-term. So that being said, I hope you'll be waiting on GBPUSD, and let us know if this candle, if the market can sell and it gets inside, we don't have a confirmation. But if it closes like this, we have a confirmation. So most of the time, the market, if it gives us a confirmation, the entry is another thing. First, let's deal with the market confirming is long term. Then the rest will follow. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye. Love you.